first thing you need to do is quit Acrobat if it is already open. Next, you download the file by clicking on this link. And save it to the stamps folder, which you will need to create. Now reopen Acrobat and open the file you'll be working on and zoom in on the area you need to edit. To import a stamp, go to the side panel and click Comment, and along the top go to the stamp icon. And then you can either show stamps palette and scroll through the stamps and select which one you want to import by clicking on it and then clicking on the page. Or alternatively, you can go to the stamps icon and go down to Proofreading and scroll through the stamps there.